Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi 15 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find the home screen. Then let's go to this other section and tap on System Navigation, and as you can see here we've got the gestures, so the option we're looking for. Before we'll set the gestures, I just wanted to draw attention to those options. We can customize the button, so for example mirror, back button and the recents. You can disable navigation buttons, and here you can set different shortcuts. Alright, so to set the gestures we have to tap on this animation, and your device will ask you whether you'd like to go through the tutorial. Of course you can tap on learn and go through it. I don't want to do it. I will also show you how to use the gestures in a second. So you can see that instead of the 3 buttons we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. If you wish you can hide it just by tapping on the switcher here, and it's up to you which option you prefer. Here we've got also gesture confirmation, so in some scenarios, for example if you're watching a video or playing a game, you will have to repeat the gesture to, let's say, confirm it and for example go back. Here you've got also the shortcuts. You can customize them. You can either choose circle to search on none, and here you've got the gesture demos. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, we have to simply swipe our finger from the side to the center, and if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger, and the same situation from the left side. If you wish to go back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center again, but hold your finger somewhere here, so elongate the gesture, like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.